Alright, so it's been 5 months since we screwed up the sound. Do you think anyone has noticed?
I don't know, but there's still some pretty damn big chickens running around.
Is that a cow?
I think so.
Is somebody beating a cow?
Somebody is shoving a cow into a grinder. That is astounding.
We must investigate!
Killing the cows! I love cows! I love cows! Cows I love them. I just want to hug them and thank them for feeding me with their children and their burgers and their meat! Cow. I love me some.
Dude, did y'all hear any cows just now?
You hear a cow?
Yeah.
Did you see a cow?
No. Oh, it's the truck.
Oh, the sound of the...
So I'm guessing they noticed.
Huh? Oh,
Did you notice?
the truck. Move. Cow. Yeah, whoa! Yeah. Whoa. I love it!
Guys, why y'all making my truck move?
Well,
it's moving.
long story short, 5 months ago I face planted into a computer and that happened.
I think if I ground it up, I can make meat.
It'd probably make shredded metal.
Shredded metal meat. Meat, metal, and mouth.
Alright. Well, let's all go inside where it's cold.
Yes.
I like the cold more than I like cows.
This is pretty cool.
I hate wooden animals. I do like cows.
Yeah, cows are nice.
Stupid truck. Anybody else hear that missile explosion from North Korea that animal made?
Yeah.
I think I might enjoy the sound change stuff.
Yeah, me too.
It does sound pretty legitimate.
You realize how many people get scared with this?
Yeah, I wonder if like the whole world's affected.
Wait. What happens if we play music?
Oh.
Let's try that.
Alright. Got a camera here? We're gonna document this, okay? Alright, it's recording. What are we playing?
Nightmare by the Sevenfold.
Okay. Now press the play button. Okay, that is most definitely not Nightmare by Avenged Sevenfold. That's awkward.
Making waffles. They got blueberries, chocolate chips. Yeah, waffles. Can't wait to eat them. Hey guys, make a waffles.
What happened?
I'm out. I totally forgot about the exploded waffles. Thought that was the first time thing.
Are they gonna explode again?
I don't know. That's a yes.
Dude, did I just hear explosions?
Yeah, that's what happens when you cook waffles.
Oh.
Oh my.
Or at least that's what happens when Duke cooks waffles.
Wow. What did Duke do?
He put nitromethane in it.
No, the sound's messed up. The sound, that's what's gonna happen.
Can we put nitromethane in waffles though?
Where's Jake?
Where is Jake? Oh!
That's a nice spot.
Somebody was scared.
Okay, and now for another thing. Where's Duke?
guy. Hey, buddy! Hi! Come on, get up.
Alright, so we found Duke.
What were you doing? What were you doing?
I don't remember.
Are you okay?
All I heard was noises. Lots and lots of noises. I think I heard a train at some point.
Whoa. A train?
A train.
Okay.
I think I did
Something
hear a train
about
too.
lollipops.
Well,
I'm not
lollipops.
sure. Yeah.
Lollipop.
I'm just hungry.
Just think, what triggered lollipops?
I think I was happy.
Well, show us happy.
All I remember is lollipops. Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 hop! And then a train. Then I was on
Okay,
the floor,
so,
screaming hi.
well now we know, for sure we know that waffles equal explosion.
Explosion equals delusion, evidently.
And
And jigging equals lollipops.
I think we all need a nap.
Yep. Good idea.
Do you hear cows?
Yeah. Talking meat. Moving over the death of their families.
You're gonna get spooked by all of us in here.
Okay?
Great. Alright? I missed the door.